we are diving straight into the action with a major warning for anyone running Google Ads campaigns. We have to talk about the constant barrage of calls and emails from Google Ads representatives pushing for changes. We're looking at what Google Ads reps are actually trying to achieve and whether you should be listening to their advice right now. Environments using Google distributed cloud infrastructure. We'll explore how Bob Ritchie and Ravi Raghava are moving AI beyond pilots into operational use for defense and classified workloads. And finally, get ready for the big reveal. Bank of America is anticipating a massive AI push at Google I/O, expecting major announcements across Search, Chrome, and Android, including details on a potential Gemini 4 or 3x upgrade and deeper autonomous capabilities. Don't miss this preview of what's coming next, so stay locked in with us. Managing Google Ads campaigns often involves navigating a barrage of calls and emails from Google Ads representatives urging advertisers to make changes to improve their optimization score. These suggestions frequently involve increasing budgets, switching to broad match keywords, or adopting auto-apply features. However, experts caution that trusting this advice is often a poor strategy, as representatives are primarily driven by commercial goals rather than purely consultative ones. The core issue lies in the role of these representatives. Many are hired through third parties and incentivized by metrics focused on increasing Google's revenue, evidenced by language in their profiles emphasizing aggressive quarterly goals and budget increases. This structure means even well-intentioned advice is filtered through an incentive system that favors higher spending for Google over maximizing the advertiser's return on investment. A common misconception is that platform or representative suggestions are based on a deep understanding of a client's specific business. In reality, most recommendations are AI-generated. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast datasets against industry trends, but they lack context regarding a specific business's goals. The optimization score itself is an AI metric, not a true reflection of individual campaign performance against actual key performance indicators, KPIs. Specific recommendations carry significant risk. For instance, increasing budgets without a clear strategy can lead to wasted spend on irrelevant clicks, with one analysis finding that budget optimization suggestions could cause a significant drop in return on ad spend or double the cost per acquisition. Similarly, switching entirely to broad match keywords without a robust negative keyword strategy risks draining budgets on poor quality traffic. Automated bidding strategies require a well-structured account and sufficient conversion data to succeed. Applying them prematurely can inflate costs without delivering results. Furthermore, the display network, while offering wide reach, often yields lower quality leads due to its less targeted nature. Advertisers can gain control by disabling automatic application of recommendations within their Google Ads account settings. While some recommendations, such as those flagging keyword conflicts, disapproved ads, or poor ad asset variety, are worth reviewing for account hygiene, the most valuable advice is often diagnostic. The key defense against pushy advice is maintaining a well-defined campaign strategy. When faced with a suggestion, the critical question should shift from, should I do this because Google suggested it, to does this serve the specific outcomes I am trying to achieve? Experimentation, when structured with clear parameters and robust tracking, is reasonable, but applying wholesale changes without structure is a mistake. A strong, proactive strategy is the best defense against advice generated within a system that has a commercial interest in increased spending. Google has released an update to the Find Hub app on Android, introducing new location sharing notification features for users. The update, version 3.16085, allows users to set up alerts for when contacts arrive at or leave specific locations, such as home or work. The new functionality is accessible by selecting a contact who shares their location from the People tab. After updating to the new version, users will be prompted with an option to add a location notification. Get notified when someone arrives or leaves a location, like home or work. A new Get Location Notifications button is now visible on the options sheet, positioned between Get Directions and Share Your Location at the bottom of the screen. Users can customize these notifications by toggling the timing for arrival or departure, viewing both the person's and the user's current locations, and tapping Add Location as necessary. The interface utilizes a Material 3 expressive range slider for selecting locations on the map view. Once notifications are saved, the Find Hub app informs the contact that a location notification has been added. Users can manage these alerts by returning to the map view, where they can see existing notifications and have the ability to delete or create new ones. This update is currently rolling out to users via the Play Store. SAIC and Google Public Sector have forged a strategic partnership to deploy artificial intelligence capabilities across enterprise and tactical mission environments, leveraging Google distributed cloud infrastructure. This collaboration is focused on transitioning AI from pilot phases into full operational use. According to Bob Ritchie, SAIC's Senior Vice President and Chief Technology Officer, and Ravi Raghava, CTO of the Civilian Business Group, the primary goal is to integrate air-gapped and edge-based AI capabilities directly into mission architectures. This integration will support analytics and agentic AI operations in contested or disconnected environments, ensuring compliance, resilience, and real-time decision-making for defense and classified workloads. The partnership directly addresses significant hurdles federal agencies face when integrating AI into legacy systems, classified environments, and existing mission workflows. SAIC identified key barriers to broader adoption, including challenges posed by denied or disconnected operations, stringent compliance requirements, security risks, and the necessity of scaling AI responsibly without disrupting established workflows. Furthermore, the company noted that workforce readiness and organizational adaptation present obstacles, requiring agencies to implement technology-enabled learning and unlearning strategies to adapt to AI-driven automation. To overcome these challenges, SAIC employs modular architectures and digital engineering approaches designed to maintain operational continuity while facilitating modernization. Ritchie emphasized that mission integration accelerates the adoption of commercial technologies into operational military capabilities through open architectures, modular design, and robust systems engineering. SAIC has already initiated internal progress, launching a Gemini pilot involving over 1,000 users to rigorously evaluate governance frameworks and explore secure AI integration methods. This initiative feeds into the company's unified agent platform, which empowers employees to develop AI agents for various business processes. SAIC is increasingly focusing on agentic AI and automation within defense operations, asserting that autonomous agents and unified data architectures can significantly reduce decision fatigue and speed up critical decision-making processes in national security settings. Alphabet Inc. is gearing up for its annual Google I/O Developer Conference on May 19, with market expectations, particularly from Bank of America, pointing toward a significant AI push across its core product suite, including Search, Chrome, and Android. The keynote is set for 10 MPSD, and while developer-focused, analysts anticipate major reveals concerning next-generation large language model capabilities, AI-powered operating system enhancements, deeper product integration, and smart glasses features. A highly anticipated event is the potential announcement of a new Gemini LLM, with speculation centering on details for either Gemini 4 or a major 3x upgrade. Analysts expect Google to showcase advancements in reasoning, coding, multimodal processing, and long context capabilities, alongside the introduction of faster and more cost-effective Flash model variants. Furthermore, the company is poised to expand its offerings in video, image, and audio generation, while deepening autonomous coding through tools like the Jules agent. Agentic AI is projected to be a central theme. Reports suggest Google is preparing to embed deeper autonomous capabilities across key applications such as Chrome, Gmail, Maps, Calendar, Search, and Android. This integration aims to empower Gemini to handle complex tasks, including booking reservations, managing schedules, completing forms, and executing shopping workflows. Chrome is also expected to receive AI-powered browsing features, allowing Gemini to interact with websites and perform multi-step tasks while maintaining user oversight. On the search front, analysts predict new AI-driven features for AI mode, focusing on enhanced personalization, multi-app integration, and transactional capabilities, potentially establishing AI mode as a free-tier assistant for Google's vast search user base. Bank of America noted that expectations leading into this year's I/O are high, highlighting a near-term risk associated with the absence of a standout announcement potentially impacting the stock. However, the firm maintained its buy rating, asserting that long-term investors are likely to benefit from Gemini improvements and Google's strategic positioning for leadership in agentic assistance.